So this video I'm going to show you how to separate CSS from HTML. So now on my page you see I have everything inside of this HTML page. So you see I have my CSS styling and I have my HTML. So let's say that we want to have a separate file for CSS. So all you have to do is you have to click on File and make a new file. So go to New File and I'm gonna call it styling.css. You can name it anything you want, but I'm gonna name it styling.css and I'm going to press enter. And now I'm going to save it here. So you see, this is the styling.css file. So this is the CSS file, and inside of my HTML file, I have used styling inside of the head. So you see, this is the head tag, and inside of it we have the style tag, and then we have the body. So I'm gonna copy everything inside of the style. I'm not going to include the style tag though, but I'm going to copy everything. So I'm going to copy all of my styling, but I'm not going to include the style tag. So I'm going to right click, go to cut, and you'll notice that your styling will be gone because we don't have any styling here. And I'm going to get rid of the style tag. And now let's save this HTML file and let's go to styling.css and we are going to paste it here. So you see we have pasted everything inside of the CSS file, but we have not linked it yet. So you see we have copied our our CSS inside of this CSS file, and now this is our HTML file, but we have to link it. So now this HTML file doesn't know where to take style from, so we will have to link it. We are going to the head tag. So this is the head tag, and inside of the head tag we are going to use something called a link. So you type in link and then you press space, you type in rel for relationship. So what is the relationship? The relationship is style sheet. All right, space, then href, and you say / styling.css. So you see, once you correctly attach it, your styling should appear. So now we have our HTML file, HTML code here. All right, so we have our HTML inside of our HTML file, and we have our styling and CSS styling inside of this styling.css. So I hope you liked the video, and this is how you separate and attach a style sheet to an HTML file. I hope you drop a like, and I'll see you all in the next videos.